In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word not displaying images on Windows 11. If your pictures aren't showing up in Word, it's usually due to a display option or view setting that hides graphics to speed things up. Let's walk through a clear sequence that typically brings images back right away. First, check your view. Word has several views, and some of them don't render images. Go to the View tab at the top and switch to Print Layout or Web Layout. Avoid Draft or Outline View, because images and certain objects may not appear there at all. Print Layout is the most reliable for seeing a document as it will actually look, including embedded pictures and drawing objects. After switching, give Word a second to refresh, then scroll through your document to confirm whether images are visible. Next, make sure Word isn't replacing your images with placeholders. Open the File menu, choose Options, then click Advanced. Look for the section called Show Document Content. Here, uncheck Show Picture Placeholders so Word loads the actual images instead of gray boxes. Also make sure Show Drawings and Text Boxes on screen is checked. This controls whether shapes and text boxes are visible in the editing view, and it can affect images that sit inside these objects. Click OK to apply the changes, then reload the document. If the images don't appear immediately, close and reopen the file or switch to another document and back to prompt a refresh. Now, disable Draft Quality Output. Still in File, Options, and Advanced, scroll to the Print section and uncheck Use Draft Quality. Even though it sounds like a print-only setting, draft quality can lead to lower fidelity rendering that impacts how images display on screen. Turning this off helps ensure Word loads full-resolution graphics during editing. Click OK when you're done. Finally, test Word in safe mode. Close Word completely. Then, hold the Control key while opening Word, and when prompted, choose Yes to start in safe mode. This launches Word without third-party add-ins and customizations. If your images show up in safe mode, that strongly suggests an add-in is interfering with display. You can use this information to narrow down the cause later. A quick recap. Use Print Layout or Web Layout, turn off picture placeholders, and enable drawings and text boxes, disable draft quality, and try safe mode to isolate add-in issues. Save your document before making changes, and remember that these options affect how Word renders content across documents. With these adjustments, most missing image issues in Word on Windows 11 are resolved in minutes.